how to reset a Samsung phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can reset a Samsung phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to reset a Samsung phone, all you have to do is go ahead and then open settings. Once you open settings, simply look for the option known as general management, but inside general management you'll find an option known as reset from the bottom. So once you come to general management, just scroll down here, then tap the reset option, and now here you'll find the option called factory data reset. So first make sure that you remove the Google account as well as the Samsung account first, and then tap on factory data reset. Make sure you've backed up your important photos or messages because you will not be able to retrieve them once you've resetted it. Otherwise you can just tap on reset option, reset it everything, and your factory data will get successfully resetted to the factory version. This way you can reset a Samsung phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.